Door 1. It was the first day of December. It was the last meeting before Christmas, our beloved celebration, where everyone were happy and there is no wars. Everyone likes that meeting, even most grumpy nations. Especially Finland loves it. He always bakes gingerbreads, mince pies and put Christmas decorations on. Finland have always said that Christmas is time of miracles. No one really believes it, but hope of miracles makes everyone happier. Today Finland will collect everyone's wish list. Of course most of nations are not children anymore, and most of them doesn't even want anything. There are still some special nations that loves presents. It's not even hard to guess who would they be. But still, even though most of lists are always empty, Finland knows everyone's deepest wish, and this Christmas he will make sure that everyone will get whatever they want. He isn't going to give comic books, figures or toys. He is going to give something more worthy and meaningful. This Christmas will be the best of all Christmases. Finland can promise that to all of you as long as he is Santa Claus. This advent calendar is a small pieces of story where every Hetalia character are going to get something. I'm not going to say who is in the second door, who is in the last door and that way, but I bid you to welcome in this small journey with me and Finland.